Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from.
Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Thursday! So kung napanood ninyo ang aming previous vlog, alam na namin kung ano ang gender ni baby and it's a baby girl. Siyempre masaya kami kahit na hindi siya baby boy. This is a blessing. A child is a blessing. So we are very thankful kay Lord na binigay niya sa amin ang aming baby na kahit na medyo maedad na kami ni Mister is hindi kami nahirapan mag-conceive. Now, the question is, may balak pa ba kaming magka-baby ulit? Most probably, yes. Kasi nga kung matagal na kayo sa aming channel, si Mister talaga gustong-gusto niyang magkaroon ng baby boy. And ako, honestly, medyo nagdadalawang isip ako dahil nga, for those who are new here again, I am currently 38 years old. Pareho kami ni Mister and parehas kami magta-39 years old na this year. So, hindi na kami bata. But then, sabi nga nila, age is just a number. So, I think most probably we will try again and, hoping na magkaroon kami ng baby boy. I-shoutout ko lang pala ulit ang ating mga masugid na tagapanood at tagapag-comment ng aming mga videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And syempre sa ating mga silent viewers, thank you so very much. Walang hanggang pasasalamat po sa inyong lahat. Shout out lang sa aking nanay, Christina Ramones. Thank you for always watching our videos. Itong aking vlog talaga is specifically for them, sa family ko sa Philippines. Kaya ako nag-start na mag-vlog. But then, nagpapasalamat ako kasi kahit hindi ko kayo kakilala, kahit na dito nyo lang ako nakilala sa YouTube is sinusuportahan nyo pa rin ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And then, si Miss Evelyn, of course, laging hindi yan uma-absent sa pag-comment sa aming mga videos at sa panonood. Maraming salamat. Of course, si Sis Ria, Korea's Vlogs. Grateful Girl, thank you so much sis for always watching our video. Tess Grider, thank you so much. Si Arlene Life in Washington State, maraming salamat sis. Val Alicaba, thank you. It's Rachel TG, thank you so much. Charm Albino, thank you sis. Si Miss Jen, Event Horizon, thank you so much. 123 ABC. Thank you sis. Jane Anson, maraming salamat. And Catalina Mempin, thank you. Elite Blossom, Lourdes Manawag, Evelyn Perez, Lynn Venture, and RLP, and Riza Price. So maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagko-comment at panonood sa aming mga videos. Thank you so much everyone. And again, words are not enough to show how grateful we are to you, our viewers. Excited na akong mag-spring para at least medyo light na yung clothing. Kasi nga, yun yung main reason kaya din ako everyday na naglo-laundry dahil natatambakan ako ng mga labahin. So ayoko nung ganun. Ayoko nakikita na puno yung aming laundry basket. Kaya talaga inaaraw-araw ko siya. And then siguro pagka nag-spring na, hindi na ganun kakapal yung aming mga damit and patong-patong. So mas kukonti na siya. Baka mag every other day na lang ako. And hopefully is bumaba na yung aming electric bill by that time. So ipakita ko rin pala sa inyo ang aking pregnancy workout. Very light lang siya. And pwedeng-pwede siya kahit kanino, kahit na hindi ka pregnant. You might wanna consider following this workout as well. Lalo na kung nandun kayo sa mga tamad moments. Kasi 'di ba napaka-importante din na mobile tayo, napaka-importante din na gumagalaw-galaw tayo para, 'di ba, maging healthy ang ating pangangatawan. And before that, this is my 21-week baby bump. Ayan, si Mister medyo conservative 'yun. Ayaw niya na mag-vlog ako ng yung naka-spaghetti strap, tapos walang jacket or walang cardigans. Kaya yan, naka-cardigans tayo. Ayan. Yan ang ating 21-week baby bump. Actually, sa Friday pa ako magta-21 weeks. So, ayan, pakita ko na sa inyo ang aking pregnancy workout routine. Yan pala ang ating baby Zara, ang ating ate Zara, soon to be an ate this coming July. Binila namin siya niyang mini couch na yan, pero dahil medyo malaking baby ito si Zara or malaking toddler, na siya, lampas na siya dyan.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night.
So, ayun lang yung aking pregnancy walking workout routine. Meron pang isa, which is 30 minutes. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina is, lang yun, 10 minutes pang tamad moments. Pero most of the time, nagka 30 minutes ako dahil nga feeling ko lumalaki na ako. Although nung aking last na check-up, yung weight ko is underweight pa rin siya. 97 pounds. So, mababa pa rin siya. But then, hindi ko alam nga yung susunod kong check-up kung madagdagan na. Babalitaan ko kayo. So, ito yung mga tinanim ni Mister. 4 na pots yan. And lagi niya akong nire-remind na sprayan ko daw every time. Huwag ko daw hayaan madry yung soil dito. Tapos na rin pala ako sa aking trabaho. Mamaya ulit. So pretty much ito lang talaga yung aking buhay dito sa probinsya sa Amerika, sa pregnant woman, working from home pregnant mom. And talaga nagpapasalamat ako na ang gaan-gaan lang ng aking buhay dito. Kita ko rin sa inyo ang aming shepherd's pie. Baka hindi na ako magluto ngayon kasi ang daming shepherd's pie pa na naiwan. Sabi ni Mister, kainin ko daw ng kainin. Ginawa niya to bago siya umalis. Ang dami pa. Ayan. Kalahati pa siya. Sarap. So, pagka tinatamad ako, kinakain ko na lang itong mga leftover na food. Yun lang talagang medyo malungkot sa aking part is, yun ngang laging wala si Mister. Kasi dahil siya ay regional truck driver, para sa mga hindi po nakakaalam. So, parang mga 3 to 4 days, lagi siyang wala, as in full day, wala. Kaya nakakalungkot yun para sa amin ni Zira, pero ganun talaga ang buhay, di ba? Hindi naman perfect ang buhay, but we are very thankful na yung husband ko is a good provider, a good husband, a loving husband, a loving father to our daughter and to our future daughter. So, meron na kami pangalan para sa aming bunso for now. Not sure kung magkakaroon pa ulit, di ba? Pero yun, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng baby boy din kasi napaka-importante nun kay Mister and gusto ko mapasaya siya. And sa tingin ko naman kakayanin pa ng katawan ko and kung iluloob ni Lord, di ba? We will try again to have another baby and again, we are hoping na maging baby boy siya. Ito favorite ko to, grapefruit. Yung parang ano sa atin, pomelo, suha. Parehas na parehas lang yung lasa. Iba lang yung ano niya, yung skin and mas maliit. So, lagi ko tong kinakain. Every week, bumibili ako ng ganito sa Walmart. Pero si Mister hindi siya masyadong fan kasi ng mga medyo sour na fruits. Baltan natin itong grapefruit. Pero mas madali siyang balatan kaysa sa pomelo sa atin sa Pilipinas. Mas malambot kasi yung kanyang skin. Para lang siyang anong tawag siya? Kontan na malaki.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to
Mukbang
leave,
tayo
but now
guys
I'm
ng
seeing all the
grapefruit.
signs.
Lalagyan ko siya ng konting asin kasi asin. Gusto ko talaga din ng salt siya. Si Mister ayaw na nilalagyan ng salt ang asin. Nagalit talaga siya. Sabi niya na sisira daw yung original flavor. So dapat hindi nilalagyan ng gano'n. I think yun yung kaibahan din sa mga foreigner na ibang hindi gusto yung nakagawian sa Pilipino. Pero ganun talaga, syempre iba-iba naman tayo. Respeto lang po. Just what it is. Ito sa nakuha ko last time na ano na asin.
Just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But what
Kaya lang hindi ko masyadong asin. Yung mga nakaraang piso na nakuha ko, kaya lang na asin. Kayo, anong prutas yung miss na mo sa Pinas? Kung ang namimiss ko na yung star apple. Ano ba yun? Kay Nito.
life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one
Meron
in
pa
a
kay Nito
dozen.
dito sa
The
US.
other 11 get
Parang
something
wala.
from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you the next time. Bye-bye.